Check this out. What a nice, this is a cool Airbnb. All right, guys, if you're coming to the Phoenix area, check this Airbnb out. It's got a pool, it's got a casita, it's got a fireplace. There's 5 different slots. And then I find using the drill is the fastest way to just take them apart. So just one by one.
Oh, wow. That's a lot of work.
Yeah, on these ones it is. Not really.
I hate these ones.
Yeah.
We're not gonna say how I feel. The fact that you have to go up and pull down and
Oh yeah.
a bunch of BS.
They probably call you all the time that they don't know how to use it, huh?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. I guess that's the problem having an Airbnb with should have done all the way. Locksmiths, if you're watching, I bet you guys didn't use the drill to take these out, but it's a lot faster. You use like a hand Allen wrench, right? All right, dump all those pins out. We're gonna keep the 5 springs. We need those. And we want to keep the top pins because they should be the right size already. So it's the ones that are flat on both sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These other ones are trash.
You might need stuff.
No, I'm just talking to myself.
Oh, do you have your phone on again?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
No, you're fine. No, keep talking. I don't mind at all. Don't matter to me.
Are you editing on your
Yeah,
videos?
yeah, I'm gonna edit it, of course. Yeah.
What's the channel?
Slang and keys.
What is it?
Slang, SLANG. Okay, there's that. 97282. So deepest cut 9. First cut. And then we got a number 7. And 2 and 2. And an 8. So it's okay, that works. Now we put our top pin back in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Spring on top of each one. Take the key out. It'll drop down further. 2, 3, 4. Sometimes I do them one by one and make sure the key works each time, but I'm using a Schlage original key. Don't think I'm gonna have an issue. Looks like a decent lock. Oh, put that one in upside down. Don't want to do that because then you won't be able to turn it all the way. All right, let's lock them all back down. Did I really put the button upside down? It's kind of dark in here. All right, all done. See if our key works. All There it goes. Let's go put this lock back in. All right, so basically, see what happens is on this one, this piece gets in the way and we need to turn it so that it's straight up and inside the groove. So you pull that down. So I pulled that piece down and now this piece is inside. You can drop it in there. And then once we turn it, it'll lock into place. And that's it. We'll test it out and make sure it works. Screw it in. There's always a chance I turned it the wrong way, I guess, but I don't think it's possible to actually. Okay. We're closed. There we go, it's locked. Unlocked.
Okay. Great.
And then we'll just test the key out too. You wanna come out? That's the main thing, I guess. Okay, so again, you lift it up and then lock it. Or is it the other way? Yeah, that's it. That's locked. And then unlock.
Perfect.
Awesome.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you very much.